Alright guys, we are set up in Sweetwater at the Rattlesnake Roundup, the world's largest rattlesnake roundup. Got a couple of spotters, got some Dutch oven or camp ovens on this side, got the mace over there. Starting out with some lodges. This is just the assorted table, just different stuff, BSR Wagner's, unmarked. Got some griddles there. And here we've got some cool ones because we got some 3-notch and some single notch, all with a raised mold mark, and then of course we got the ARC logo 9 right there. We got a couple of Le Creuset, some Black Lock, got some Ugly Hammered, got a little roasterette, which is kind of cool. Got the Chicago, then got the Yeti Bauer. Then we get into some Griswolds. Got the Victor, Griswold. Then got the Smithy 14-inch. And then we have the Smithy Dutch oven. Got a 6 that's gate marked. Got the old Pirate Bank. On this side we've got some Dutch ovens. Mostly Lodge and some edging casting. They look pretty cool, so I grabbed a couple. Got the 15-inch carbon steel, got the wok, got the smaller carbon steel, got some different commemorative lodges and some of the patriotic ones. Got a Tennessee one, got a county one in South Carolina, got a California skillet, got the actual festival skillet, got the old stove back there and 2 of the smaller ones, got the Texas mailbox, and then we've got some baking stuff, and then go to some bread pans and a corn stick pan. Down here we got a Volcano and a Cabela's, and then a Lodge, and then we've got a little grill. It's, you know, like a Sportsman but not quite. But that's it, guys. We're set up in Sweetwater. Hopefully we have a good crowd today. Hope everybody has a great one.